If you're considering HubSpot for social media management and analytics, you've come to the right place. While HubSpot is a solid option, it's important to know exactly what it offers compared to other platforms before making your decision. Here are 12 things you need to know. First, HubSpot's social media management tools integrate seamlessly with its entire CRM system. This makes it a great choice if you're already using HubSpot for customer relationship management. However, if you're using something like Hootsuite or Buffer, you might find these integrations less necessary. Next, HubSpot allows you to schedule and publish posts across multiple platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. While other platforms like Sprout Social also offer this feature, HubSpot's automation is highly tied to its overall CRM, making it easier to link social media with lead nurturing. The third thing you should know is that HubSpot's analytics provide detailed reports on post performance, engagement, and ROI. It gives you a comprehensive view of how your social efforts are impacting your business. However, compared to more analytics-focused tools like Social Bakers or AgriPulse, HubSpot's reports might not go as in-depth, especially when it comes to niche insights. The fourth thing to note is the HubSpot Social Inbox feature, which lets you manage social media messages from one central location. While this is useful, it's not as feature-rich as the messaging tools found in platforms like Sprinklr or Zoho Social, which offer more advanced workflows and customer service integrations. The fifth thing is HubSpot's ability to monitor social mentions. You can track brand mentions and industry keywords, which is great for brand awareness campaigns. However, if social listening is a critical part of your strategy, you might find platforms like Brandwatch or Mention more advanced for tracking detailed mentions. The sixth thing to consider is the ease of use. HubSpot's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for teams of all sizes. If you prefer simplicity, this is a major selling point over more complex tools like Social Studio or Sprinklr, which can be more challenging to navigate. The seventh thing is its pricing. HubSpot is on the pricier side, especially if you want access to premium features. Competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite offer similar functionality at lower prices, which may be worth considering if you're working with a limited budget. Next thing to consider is HubSpot's customer support. The platform provides 24/7 support, and you can always reach out for help by phone, email, or live chat. While other platforms like Sprout Social also offer great support, HubSpot stands out with its dedicated resources for onboarding and learning. The ninth thing to know is HubSpot's ability to collaborate with team members. You can easily assign tasks and track who's doing what on each post, which can be especially useful for larger teams. However, tools like Hootsuite also offer similar collaboration features with slightly more customization options. The 10th thing is HubSpot's content library, where you can save and reuse your best performing content. This is a great time saver, but some competitors like Buffer let you create content libraries with more organization and tagging options, which might be preferable for some users. The 11th thing to consider is HubSpot's ad management feature. You can run paid social campaigns directly from the platform and track their performance alongside your organic posts. If running ads is a big part of your social strategy, HubSpot does an okay job, but platforms like AdEspresso provide more focused, detailed ad campaign tools. The last thing to know is HubSpot's scalability. While it works great for small businesses and startups, its pricing can quickly rise as you scale up and need more advanced features. If your business is growing rapidly, you might find that more flexible platforms like Sprout Social offer better scalability without the steep price jump. So, is HubSpot a good option for social media management? Yes, it definitely has its strengths, especially if you're already in the HubSpot ecosystem. But if you're looking for something more affordable or focused purely on social media, there are other great options out there. If you want a better solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.